Well, we're certainly not complaining about the money you've put into it. After all, if you were to buy this car on a car lot, how much do you think it would have cost us to buy it on a car lot?
Well, I mean, they got a blue book value of $3,600. So ask me how I know?
Oh, because when we went to pay the taxes on it. So when we registered it, of course, you have to have in the state of Kentucky, when you register the car, you have to have the insurance on it, and you have to, well, even though it was being given to us, we still had to pay the taxes on it, and we paid the taxes on the $3,600 value.
Yeah, $95 or something like that.
Right. And the title just came 2 days ago, so the title is actually in Stephen's name now. We have the title to this car now.
And I got a notification that my TWIC card will be in the mail along with a pin. So I have my TWIC card. So I don't want to go all the way to Hopkinsville. I'm just taking her out for a cruise. First real cruise has been on.
This car is 24 years old. It's a 2000 DTS, but it is has a lot of, even though it's 24 years old, it's very luxurious. It's a Cadillac. Isn't that kind of synonymous? Cadillac equals luxury, I assume.
Yeah, big old lounge chair seats, and big old luxury leather seats with heating, cooling, and massaging.
And you have the original.
I don't know about the cooling, but they got heating and massaging.
You have the original owner's manual. Look at these pretty trees. I want to show you these pretty. Again, this is October the 26th, and look at these beautiful trees.